Okay, so that's that. That's that. Because that's been released from that, that's like that. I'm gonna get this off, which is I think a 13. Nah. Is that a 13? Take it. 13. So. 13. There we go. Oh, there's a thing on that side. Uh-oh. Alright, so that means put a 13 on this side too, and then you're in business. I think you're in business, because I feel like I'm not in business, and things are going all over the place. I need to get a pillow, because my head is super uncomfortable, and I need a pillow. Hey, it's like taking apart the Guibo. Hey, Guibo, what you gonna do?
It's me, Mario!
I just jumped in there. That's freaking amazing. Okay. Okay. That's just like the simplest bolts combo ever, dude. Those are BMW. These ones up here are like super knackered. And then, next point of business is up here. So that, after you've done that end link, there's the sway bar link on the top. But before we do that, let's just do the other side. Okay. And now for the other side. Why does there seem like there's more room here? Is there more room? Is there more room, or am I just... Alrighty. Bump the jam, bump it up, bump it down, bump it in, bump it in, bump it in, bump it in. That's how it is. Pump up the jam. You just kind of do that, and it just comes out, and then you're like that, and then... Okay, so that's that. That's that. Because that's been released from that, that's like that. I can talk about it if you guys want. That's the fuel pump and fuel filter. Yeah. Also 13 mil for sway bar link guy. Coming in on our top 10. Is there another bolt there? There is no other bolt. You cannot tell me there's nothing. There's no room for nothing. There's just dirt everywhere. So don't tell me there's another fastener. Alright, now we'll move over to the other side. And now, we'll just make sure that we're looking in the right place. That's the other one. Yes? Where's the... There it is. Yep. Okay. There it is. Just has to slide down like that. Okay. Now, I mean, really, see that? It just kind of, just move that over there, see? Kind of just like sits on that boot. That's alright. So then you go over to the other side. It's alright. See that? And just kind of. Just holding it from the middle. I'm holding it from the middle, you let the back bar drop, and as it drops, right, the arms, see how they just, because the arms are just gonna swirl around anyway, so they just naturally want to come down, and then you just swirl it off. Yeah. See? Just swirl it off to one side and gently push it out of your face. It rests on that little tab in the back and it pinches it so that it's essentially like a stop. See the tab? Right there. It's kind of hard to see because of the amount of garbage. So then that goes like that and it sits in there. And that's what provides the clamp for the bushing. Because I'm a good mechanic. I'm a good mechanic. I'll put that back. And then the brackets will stay with the sway bar.